Hello everyone, I'm facing an error in Visual Studio when I'm trying to connect this data connection with SQL Server. Then server name is not showing. So let's correct this issue here. After connection, after clicking on this connection tab, so this window will get pop up. Here Microsoft SQL Server is showing. Now click on continue. So here SQL Server name is not showing. So let's refresh it. Maybe it popped up here, but here let's wait for a second. Now it is facing the server name. Just need to wait for few seconds. It is taking longer time. Just wait for few seconds. Maybe there is some troubleshooting. There is some error happening. Yeah, it is not showing. So it means SQL services is off. That's why it is SQL services is disabled. That's why we are facing this error. So now enter control plus window. Window plus R. So here typo services dot msc. Now click on this. So here find SQL. Here SQL Server browser. Now we are seeing that this service is disabled. Now click on this, click on properties and enable this, or do it automatic. Click on the automatic and now click apply and OK. Now close the services. So here just wait for few seconds. Let the refresh this window. It is taking quite time, so we need to wait for the response. Please wait while we retrieve the list of server. So it means some process is happening in computer, so we need to wait for few seconds. Yeah, now yeah, it is still not showing. It means let's check again. Window R services dot msc. Now SQL. Click on the SQL browser. So here this is the SQL browser. Now we forgot to start this server. Now click on start. Just wait for few seconds. Now again do the same. Wait for few seconds. It is facing the servers. Please wait while we retrieve the list of servers. So wait for few seconds. System is working. Face the server. Yeah, some process is going on.